Hey, handy helpers, it's me, Andy. Welcome back to my workshop where we fix it, build it, and learn it together. We have a lot of fun toys to fix today, but before we start, we better warm up our handy muscles. Are you ready? Great! Let's tap, tap, tap our heads. Tap, tap, tap. And now, our shoulders. Tap, tap, tap. Can't forget the knees. Tap, tap, tap. And last but not least, our toes. Tap, tap, tap. Wow! Great job, handy helpers. Our handy muscles are all warmed up. Ooh, I have a phone call. Let me answer the phone. Hello, Andy's workshop. This is Andy. Oh, hi, Lily. What's up?
Hi, Andy. I've got a big problem on the farm. The animal toys you made me are all mixed up. One has an elephant head, a giraffe body, and elephant legs. The other one has a giraffe head, an elephant body, and giraffe legs. Can you help me fix them, please?
Wait, so you're telling me you have a giraffe-a-lant? No, or is it an elephant-raph? Either way, don't worry, Lily. I'll bring my tools and come right to the farm. We'll fix it together with the handy helpers.
Thank you, Andy. See you soon.
All right, handy helpers. We have to pack up our toolbox. Let's see. I'll need this flashlight, this magnifying glass, this screwdriver, this wrench, and a hammer. Time to head to Lily's farm. Hi, Lily.
Andy, you're here. Thank you for coming to my farm so fast. Great, you brought your toolbox.
You're welcome, Lily. I got here as fast as I could. So, are those the toys you were talking about?
Yes, I hope you have the right tools to fix them.
Let's take a closer look. First, my flashlight will shine some light on the problem. See, handy helpers? Lily is right. The elephant and giraffe are all mixed up. Their body parts don't match at all. Before we get our tools out, we should learn more about what elephants and giraffes really look like.
Great idea! Giraffes are one of my favorite animals. They have brown spots all over, and they have long necks and long feet. They reach up into the trees, up, 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 and they eat yummy leaves.
Wow, giraffes are that tall? I guess they don't need a ladder to reach things like I do. So, what do you know about elephants?
Well, if you thought giraffes were big, elephants are even bigger. They are the biggest land animal in the world. Do you know what color elephants are, handy helpers? Yes, elephants are gray. And they have big trunks to drink from. It's like a giant straw that they sip water.
And I like the way elephants walk. They have big legs that go stomp, stomp, stomp. Well, now that we know what elephants and giraffes are supposed to look like, we can figure out what tools we need to fix your toys. We'll need this screwdriver and this wrench and a hammer. Handy helpers, are you ready to use our tools? Let's gear up and fix it up. Ready. And the final step. Let's use our hammer to tap, tap, tap to make sure it's nice and tight. Tap, tap, tap there. And a tap, tap, tap there.
Amazing! We did it, Handy Helpers. We put all the elephants and giraffes back together again. From head, shoulders, knees, and toes.
Hey, wait! That reminds me of a song. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Can you sing it with us, Handy Helpers?
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Let's sing a little faster this time.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes,
Do you think we can sing even faster this time?
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, Head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes,
You want to sing even faster?
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, Head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes,
It's so nice to have the elephant back with its big trunk and huge feet that go stomp, stomp, stomp.
And the giraffe back with its long neck to go up, up, up to the trees. Thank you, Andy, for bringing your tools to the farm. And thank you, Handy Helpers.
Anytime, Lily. Great work, everyone. Let's give a big high five. And remember, at Andy's workshop, we fix it,
Build it.
and learn it together. See you next time.